Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer XRP from Uphold to your Decent wallet in 2025. Why do this? Well, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like Decent adds an extra layer of security, keeping your XRP safe from online threats. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First things first, before we get started, ensure you have a few things ready. You'll need an Uphold account with XRP in it, your Decent wallet set up and connected, and the exact wallet address handy. Double check that your Decent wallet is on and you've got your recovery phrase secured, just in case. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find the XRP section. It should show your current balance. Make sure you have enough to cover any network fees. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw or Send option next to your XRP balance. This will open a form where you need to enter the destination address. Carefully paste your Decent wallet's XRP address here. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. I recommend starting small for your first time to test things out. Then, review the transaction details, including any fees. In 2025, XRP transactions on the XRP ledger are usually pretty fast and cheap, but fees can vary. After that, hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything one last time. Once you approve, the transfer will be initiated. Now, switch over to your Decent wallet app or device. Step 4. Open your Decent wallet and navigate to the Receive section. You should see your XRP address there. Wait for the transaction to appear. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's confirmed, celebrate. Your XRP is now safely in your hardware wallet. If you run into any issues, like errors or delays, check the XRP Ledger Explorer or Uphold's support page. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.